We went Little Creek, right? After.
Nakabidyo ka yan?
Yeah.
Nakikita yung... Tsaka yung forma paring ganito ay.
Take two, take two.
The guy couldn't understand you at the drive-thru. And
Man,
then we were
I
laughing
post like,
because he did it
I
to
give
all
up,
of you
man.
guys.
I had to evaluate my life after that shit. Like, I was saying, no salt on the fries, please.
But
What?
it sounded like he was saying
No salt on the fries, please. And then I post like,
That's what it sounded like.
is this really happening right now? I was like, is this really happening right now? And then I look up
And
my
then I-
childhood memories and stuff like that.
And then I got,
you were laughing, dude.
yes, we were laughing.
I was laughing, man,
to
'cause
every one of you guys.
I
The
froze,
person
dude.
in front of us
Siri
didn't. He
first
was
time.
fine.
Hey Siri, sorry, I can't understand.
this is
Like
a
10
different
times,
one.
and he's like, "Fuck."
Yeah.
Yeah, I said it like 14 times, man.
I was like,
But that's
"You
still
want to start this interaction about the snow for me?" Or
Did you get the
And the
joke
funny thing is, I'm not even mad at the guy. I was like trying to evaluate myself, like, you want to try this?
No, for a while I thought if I had a Fabi accent, people would understand me. When I hung around like other Filipinos, and they're like, and then they start talking to me in Tagalog. I'm like, okay, that's where you lost me.
Oh shit, when I was talking to you earlier, did I lose you on that one?
No, I was trying to catch everything that you were saying. I was like, okay, he's saying this, he's saying this. But when you talk too fast, I'm like, okay. I just, okay.
Because what I was trying to do earlier is, I'm assuming that you guys are coming.
He doesn't tell me shit.
And then, they're coming, so I already assumed that you guys coming. And, because I can feel it, you know, that you guys gonna come
Bro,
anyway.
we just, right when we got home, he's like, hey, I'm gonna go to Nigel's house. So I'm like, okay. I'm like, you want me to come with you?
No, I really thought it's for next week. But I just so happened I see Ed gunning into our street. I just want to say hi. And he was drifting to making that left turn.
God
Oh, that's Ed.
All right, good morning guys. God dang, what a beautiful morning. Check this out.
All right, we're just cooking rice and coffee. All right, good morning, Lee. Morning, Kuya. Morning, Grace. Morning, Will. God dang, Will. What do you have over here? Damn, is that fried rice?
Yeah.
Smells so good. Yeah, heck yeah.
Sit. Oh, sit, man. It smells so good. Then I got this one, salted egg salad, bro.
Ooh.
Itlog na maalat, salted eggs.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, Will. All right, time to eat.
Let's get you some lotion too.
Luxury, oh. That's sweet.
God damn, Mario. Oh shit.
Heck yeah! Oh, okay. You're just gonna have a little bit oh, shit. Okay, now you're gonna be have a little bit momentum and it should be good, okay? Heck yeah, easy money. You're welcome. Heck yeah, Nigel. I know, right? No, because I'm on the slope. I give him on the like this. Ayos kuya, bahala ka na dyan. Kahit ano pili mo dyan, ayos na ayos yan. You're good on that one. That's beautiful. Perfect. Yep, keep going straight, you're good. Momentum a little bit. Okay, back out a little bit. Back out. A little bit more. More. Okay, stop. Okay, go over there. But I will do momentum on that one. Hit. Beauty. All right, Will. Heck yeah. Easy money. What are you making over there?
Pork, beef, and vegetable dumpling.
Heck yeah! Damn! God dang guys, we're gonna make some puto. Ah! Check this out. We got some flour and some secret stuff over here. God dang! One can is 1.5 cup. And then, yes. Okay, hold on. 1.5 plus 1.5. Hold on, let me just grab some. Now we're just gonna mix it.
Nasaan yung mga bowl mo?
Yep, coming right up. All right, Lee, what do you have in there, Lee?
Jasper's adobo.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't need it. That happened with Joel's John Bull. He smashed it. He said, "Dude, I can't turn left. I can't turn left."
Yeah. Nakikita yung tsaka yung forma paring ganito ay. Take two. Hey, heck yeah, man. That's how you do it. Just like that. Yeah.
Oh, wala kang ano? Oh my God.
No, it'll just cook all over.
So far, he hasn't dripped.
Ang galing. Skills.
I've been doing since I was a 3-year-old. Shit, man. Oh, that shit. I think it's too thick. Fuck.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You sure you got egg in there, man?
Thank you.
Rolling.
Yun.
Yeah, that's why I'm a teacher.
You know how to make harness? You know how to make it?
Well, yeah, it's basically just,
Fermented
it's basically just you have it. You just line it up in a ceramic jar. And then you throw all the sauce and the
What
vinegar.
sauce do you get?
I don't know if my mom does it.
Yeah, I can be ready.
You gotta be like hardcore crazy.